Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 official confirmation about the launch of the device has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, for some reason Samsung is reluctant to officially commit to a date for the Unpacked event that will be bringing the next generation of foldable devices, new watch and a new earbuds, and possibly we are going to see the S21 Fan Edition as well on that particular event. We have seen many leaks and rumors that are pointing out towards the August 11, which is going to be the launch date of that particular foldable devices. So that leak has been confirmed by Samsung itself. Particularly the Samsung Russian website has given us the detail about the upcoming launch date of the device, and the slogan for the upcoming event is going to be "The future will be unfolded in a new way very soon." This means that this is going to be an event particularly for the foldable devices. So honestly, I am looking forward towards that. Also, that leaked images give us a detail about the launch date, and it is on August 11 as pointed by the leaks. Also, the timing is based on Moscow, and basically it is 1700 hour in Moscow time, whereas 2 p.m. in the United States. Also, the leaked images showcase two abstract looking shapes which represents the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the smaller one represents the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Of course, that teaser was pulled down soon. The event is still a month away, so we already know most of the details about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, and even the S21 Fan Edition. So it's no point of trying to keep it hidden from Samsung. Render images of the upcoming devices including the Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, the Galaxy Buds 2 as well, and even the S21 Fan Edition has been arrived. Amazon Canada even briefly listed the watches, while the FCC certified the S Pen Pro for the use with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. As far as the main highlight of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, we are definitely going to see an under-display camera sensor on the front side. There is going to be an improved ultra-thin gloss technology on the front, and also we are going to see an S Pen support on the front of the device along with the 120Hz of refresh rate. So definitely there is going to be a bunch of improvement on the display side from the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be having a 7.6 inch of inner display, which is definitely going to be pretty much similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 2, whereas the cover display is going to be of 6.23 inches, which is also going to be coming with a Super AMOLED display, 120Hz of refresh rate, and a Gorilla Glass Victus protection on that particular outer display. We are only going to see a center punch hole camera cutout on the back side. There is going to be a triple camera setup on the back side with a vertical camera bump, which is obviously going to be coming with a 12 megapixel of camera sensor on the back side, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel of a telephoto lens, which is definitely going to be similar to the S21 base model. Internally, the device is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 888 processor, which is supported by 5G, and it's going to be even more powerful than the last year Galaxy Z Fold 2. Also, we are going to see a 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage variant, and a 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage variant as well. And unfortunately, we are not going to see any micro SD card slot inside the device. Battery wise, the device is obviously going to be coming on the lower side. We are going to see a 4300 milliamp of a battery cell, while the charging is going to be coming with a 25 watt of wide charging, 11 watt of fast wireless charging, and a 4.5 watt of reverse wireless charging support is also available here. As far as the pricing is concerned, definitely we have the Z Fold 3, which is coming with a great pricing. We are going to see a price drop this time around, and it's going to be coming with a price tag of at least $1,600 this time around, which is even more cheaper than the last year's Z Fold, which was selling at $2,000 price tag. So guys, all in all, Samsung is bringing the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, and the Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, the Galaxy Buds 2, and even the S21 Fan Edition is going to be obviously coming on that particular event. So definitely we are looking forward toward that. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new foldable era? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.